Uh-oh, low-key battery. That means one thing. It's time to show you how to replace the battery in your wireless remote on a Lexus ES 350. So come join us on this DIYDave quick hitter. Alright, for this DIYDave quick hitter, to replace this key fob battery, we need the following. The dead key fob, one CR2032 battery, a smallish flat blade screwdriver, and optionally a small paper towel to wrap around the tip of the screwdriver to prevent damaging the key fob. Alright, step one in replacing the battery is to remove the physical key inside the key fob. And to do that, we simply press down on that little latch button there, and that releases the internal mechanism that holds the key in. That's step one. Now, step two, we want to insert the screwdriver into this slot that it's a little difficult to see. There, you can kind of see it. Put that right in there, and we're going to rotate that, and that opens up the remote. Take that out, and then all we'll need to do is pull back the tang, holding that in, pop the old battery loose. Pop the new battery out of the package. Peel off any protective backing and slide that guy back in. Put the tangs back in place. We should be good to go. And now we just reassemble it. Put the key control back in the fob. Snap it back together. And there we have it. Now the next thing is, let's test it. Alright, now to test the replaced battery, we have our remote start with the new battery in it. And if we've done our job, when we start the car, we will no longer get the the triangle with the low key battery message. So let's give it a try. The warning light disappears. We go through the system check and we are good to go. With no low battery message, we seem to have been successful. So that's going to wrap this DIYDave quick hitter. We sure thank you for taking the time to watch. Hope this has been useful to you. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to put them below. If you like our videos, I sure would ask you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Put these out when we get a chance. We always appreciate our subscribers. We're growing every month, and we sure do appreciate all the folks who take the time to watch the videos that we put out and hope they're helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye, everybody.